Earning one's horns, a journey through English idioms. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, earning one's horns. This idiom might sound a bit unusual at first, but it's packed with cultural and historical significance. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning but also how to use it in your conversations. So, let's get started and unravel the mystery behind this fascinating phrase. Earning one's horns is not a commonly used idiom in modern English, and there might be a bit of confusion around it. Typically, the phrase might be misinterpreted or mixed up with others. It's important to clarify that the correct and more common idiomatic expressions related to horns often have to do with achieving something significant, undergoing a rite of passage, or facing challenges. For instance, phrases like taking the bull by the horns suggest confronting a problem directly. To understand earning one's horns, let's break down the potential meaning and historical context. Horns are often symbols of strength and maturity in animals, such as bulls or deer. Thus, earning one's horns could metaphorically imply gaining strength, experience, or coming of age through overcoming challenges or significant achievements. Historically, in some cultures, horns have been associated with rites of passage, where young members of the society would undergo certain challenges to be considered as mature or worthy. So, this phrase, if used, might draw from such symbolism, suggesting that someone has proven themselves capable or mature, having earned their horns through hard work or overcoming challenges. Given its rarity and potential for confusion, using earning one's horns in everyday conversation might require some context to ensure clarity. If you choose to use it, it might be best suited for contexts where achievements, growth, maturity, or the overcoming of challenges are discussed. For example, after years of dedication and overcoming numerous obstacles, she truly has earned her horns in her field. However, be mindful of your audience. Since it's not a widely recognized idiom, you might need to explain its intended meaning or opt for more common expressions to avoid confusion. Though earning one's horns might not be a phrase you'll hear every day, it's a wonderful example of how rich and varied the English language is, drawing on historical and cultural symbols to convey complex ideas. Whether or not you decide to use this expression, understanding its potential meanings enriches your appreciation for the depth and breadth of English idioms. We hope you found this exploration interesting, and as always, we look forward to helping you navigate the fascinating world of English language learning. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video. Remember, language is an adventure, and every phrase has a story. Keep learning, and keep sharing those stories.